Okay, assalamualaikum guys. Today I want to interview one of my friend here. Yeah.
My name is Sidit Bustami. I'm from UPB English Group 24.
And our topic is online education and traditional education. And first question, which one you think is better, online or traditional education?
Uh, I can really choose between it because there are some pro and contra to each of them, and there is plus and minus.
So what are the plus and minus?
So for the traditional education, the interaction between the teacher and student is
Yeah.
what do you say? You can interact face to face.
Yeah, in traditional education.
Yeah, and you can learn social skills from traditional education,
Yeah.
like when you talk with your friends.
Face to face, right?
Yeah,
Face to face.
and for online education, there's a lot to learn. Like the media is more creative,
Variety of like what?
so you can use computer, internet. When the traditional education just using book.
Okay. Next question. What's your reflection of traditional education's benefit?
Yeah, like I said before, it's for your social, really good for your social skill.
Okay.
And uh,
It's really good for interaction, right?
yeah, it's really good for your interaction. You can build your
For friendship,
yeah,
with
your
others,
friendship.
much more activities, right?
Yeah,
In outdoor.
Yeah.
Can you describe drawbacks of online education? Drawbacks. Online
drawbacks.
education.
There's a lot of yeah. I think there's a lot of drawback. Like you can really socialize with a lot of people from online education, and you don't build your common sense through online education.
What do you mean with that? Don't build. What do you mean with that?
Like it's there's really not many social interaction in online education. You just share the information or the lecture from your teacher. There's almost no interaction between you and your teacher or your friends.
Next question. Do you think students in this generation show like traditional and online educational way?
Yeah, if you combine the both of it, it's really good. Like for you still get the social skills, you still get the lecture, and you can build your friendship with your classmates.
And what about the student that can't really interact with their friends? How
What?
can we that cannot really interact with their friends in traditional education? What about student like that?
Uh,
What
Even
should we do
yeah.
to them?
For introverted students.
Yeah, introvert student.
Ah, a lot. This for myself lah. I myself is
Introvert.
yeah, I'm introvert myself. So usually I just try to speak up a bit, and if my classmates uh,
Answer.
answering my question in class. From there, I can try to talk to them about other things.
But you not feel fears when you do that. Do you feel fears of
Yeah.
talking to the other people?
Not fear, it's more like anxiety.
What? Oh, anxiety.
Anxiety.
Oh, okay. Do you have experience in online education or traditional education before in your school?
Yeah, I have some online education and traditional education. Online education. For
You're from what? Your school?
I'm from
Is it MA or Pondok or SMA?
I'm from MIS Sukoma.
Okay. That not Pondok.
It's like
Like
mixed.
Pondok? Oh, mixed.
Mixed.
Okay.
So when it's morning,
Okay.
it's Alia.
Okay.
From
When
midday, it's Pondok.
it's Pondok, like what? You did the study in the dorm?
No, you study, we study in the classroom, but
You have dormitory there?
yeah, we have a dormitory, but not all of students.
Okay.
It's not mandatory to be a dormitory student.
Okay. But you live in dorm?
No.
Oh no. Okay. Okay. So the experience.
So the experience with the traditional teaching is, well, it's from elementary school to high school.
Yeah.
But it's really good. But for introverted student like me, I didn't have many friends from the first grade to the ninth grade.
And you feel like pressure when you do it, when you do traditional education.
No, but
You ever had a pressure? Yeah.
I'm I don't really feel any pressure because I'm just a curious person. Overall, I'm a curious person. Like if if the lecture is make me curious, then
Okay.
I will attend it or I will pay attention to it.
Okay. So if the lecture are that you don't curious about the lecture, what do you do?
I also attend the class, but
Okay.
I usually
You don't
go
pay
to sleep.
attention.
No.
Okay. You you sleep in the class. Like
Yeah,
that.
a lot
Okay.
actually.
Okay.
And most of the time, if I'm sitting in the class, the teacher will call out to me and ask me to solve the problem in the whiteboard.
Okay. Do you answer it correctly? Solve it correctly?
Yeah, it's more like a challenge to me. Already understand the lecture, and
Okay.
the teacher just asked me to do it, and I'm free for the rest of the class.
Alright. So it's the for traditional education, right? For online education.
For online education, I got trained in the ninth grade
What?
when the COVID hits.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I'm angkatan COVID.
Yeah. Oh, angkatan COVID. Okay. So you're graduate that year or what?
Yeah, I graduated that year.
Oh, okay.
Most of the lecture, I always asleep.
Okay. We attend the class in the Zoom, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
in the Zoom class.
So you slept in the class.
Yeah,
Okay. So,
there's not much Zoom class. There's more like, but there's more assignment than the class.
oh,
So
assignment.
the teacher just gives us the lecture for the class, and give us the assignment for the.
Okay. Which learning method that's more effective? Online education or traditional education?
I guess I can't say for sure, but for me it's traditional education, but with mix,
That's
mix,
what of it.
mix,
What of
mix
it?
with online education a bit.
Oh, okay.
So when you try to learn in
Wait.
traditional education, you can just ask this question to the teacher in front of you.
Okay. And if if we talk about online education, what do you think we should do about the student that don't have the device, they don't have the phone to attend the class? What do you think we should do about that?
First things,
Yeah.
we should give them
What?
the facility, like
How do we give them? If we only have one for us,
the school not must think about that.
what?
If the school can do that,
Okay.
that school really shouldn't do online teaching.
Or yeah, that's right.
In my high school, we do the test online, but it's still in class.
Okay.
So
What the device you use? You use?
uh, we use phone.
Oh,
Just
you
phone.
just use phone,
Yeah,
not the computer or PC like that.
there are some tests that we take with computer, but most of the tests we take with phone.
Why do you guys take with the phone? I
Uh,
think it's more effective if we take it with the laptop or PC.
uh, for the better, it's better for us to use the school computer, but because it's minimizing the cheating chance.
Oh,
If you if you
you
use
use computer, if the cheating chance is bigger than use phone like that.
yeah, because
Why? Why?
because we can open any application from the aside from the test application.
Oh, okay. But in the phone we can do that. We can
Yeah.
still do that. Right?
Even if we have the dedicated application for the test, we
Yeah.
still find a way to do cheating.
So you guys do that. So you guys do
Yeah,
cheating
we
when
do.
you. Oh, but you still do test with an online like that,
We use the web-based,
web test.
so it's like Google form, but with the question from the test.
Okay.
But some of us has been found out with
Oh.
our teacher.
Oh, okay.
So the teacher used a dedicated application. I forget the name about it,
Oh,
but the application is when you try
good shit.
to open any application or you try to get out of the application without finishing the test, it will make your phone ring.
Oh, oh, that's good. Okay, but why do you guys do online test instead of traditional test? Why do you guys do?
I think it's to minimize the cost of making the test sheet.
Of making
Test
it?
sheet.
What do you mean? Making the what?
Kertas ulangan.
Oh,
It's for
okay.
minimizing that.
Why did they minimize it?
Cutting cost.
Apa?
Cutting cost lah. Obviously.
Cost apa?
Cutting cost.
Oh, cutting cost. So the school did cutting cost, even if it for educational business. That.
It's from my personal opinion, but from the Kemenak, they put a standard on the test.
So it has to be online test. Like
Yeah, it's an online test with phone or web-based test or application-based,
Okay.
but we still do traditional test in pondok.
Okay. So you have experience at both. Which one do you think is better? Traditional test or online test?
If you want a practical skill, take a traditional class. If you want
Test.
traditional class,
Okay.
if you want a good paper, take online class.
So that's it, guys. The interview today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.